A few riders were riding together. One lagged behind, and up ahead he saw his friend crash badly. Then everything unfolded.
You good? Hey, I'm good. I'm good. Henry, look at me. Look at me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Look at me. Henry, look at me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Look at me, bro. I'm good.
You don't need 1,000 friends. Just one is enough. True friendship shines in moments like this, and this is just the beginning. Keep watching the next clips. You're gonna love them. The biker was cruising straight when a car from the left suddenly slid into his lane. In a split second, the bike clipped the car.
What the f***? What the f***? Oh. Did you see that shit? I don't know. I'm good, bro, but I can't get up. Yeah, I'm test riding him. I'm about to buy the bike. No, hey, I'm good. Don't call. Hey, don't call. Don't call. I'm sure. Like, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving and something's broken, you know?
You broke the leg or?
No, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving. Man, and I knew I should have worn my jacket. Now I got road rash. I'm test riding this bike. It's okay if it's mine, but it's not mine. Now I got to buy it. Oh, yeah. I want to talk to the lady real quick. All right, bye. No, it's okay. Do you have insurance? You could have killed me.
Suddenly, a car cut into the road from the right, sparking a heated confrontation between them.
You're gonna pull out in front of somebody like that?
You got a problem?
You're trying to kill me. That's the problem. I'm saying you got a problem. You're trying to kill me, bro.
I'm just making sure.
I'm trying to say, bro.
Right there. You got a problem. Come on, cuz, bro.
You're the one with the problem, dog. You're trying to kill somebody and you're holding up traffic.
Don't do that shit around here, Brody.
I live around here, bro.
So do we.
I do what I want around here. I'm riding safe. You're out here pulling out in front of people. F you, bro.
Though the driver was at fault, you must always stay alert and cautious. The biker was chasing behind the BMW when suddenly, just a bit ahead, the car made a wild, dangerous left cut. Without a second's delay, the biker stopped and rushed toward it. He reached the spot and saw his bike was heavily damaged while the driver had almost no injuries. He leaned a little too far while taking the turn, and the dust on the road made him slip straight into the side of a passing car. Always control your lean angle and check the road surface. 1 second of misjudgment can cause a serious crash. During the group ride, a rider suddenly cut in front, leaving no room to react. The biker hit him and crashed. Always keep space. One sudden move can take you down. The car stopped at the red light and the biker was waiting behind. Suddenly, his friend hit it.
Oh, no.
The fault was clearly the biker's. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. The biker was riding straight when a car from the right suddenly cut into his lane, forcing him into a bad crash. This one's on the driver. Always check your lane before moving. The biker slowed down to take a turn, but there was too much lean and loose dust on the road, causing him to slip and fall.
Yeah, I'm good. No, I'm good.
The car in front suddenly braked without any signal, and the biker instantly burst into anger.
I got it on GoPro. I'm okay. I'm gonna go stop him. Oh.
The riders were on a group ride when one from the back slammed into them, knocking people down. Then watch what happens next. Always keep distance in a group ride. One careless move can take everyone down. Several bikers were stopped at the red light when one rider from behind slammed into them, turning the whole situation terrifying within seconds. Watch what happens next. Most crashes happen during group rides, so always keep distance and stay alert when riding together. The biker was riding through traffic when a woman suddenly opened her car door and then quickly shut it again.
What the f are you doing? I've got that on camera. That's legal, actually. It's actually legal, and I've got you on camera, and you're going to be on YouTube, so enjoy that.
Even a small door opening can be extremely dangerous. It only takes a second for a major crash to happen. The biker was cruising smoothly down the highway when, out of nowhere, a car shot out from the right, leaving him no time to react and sending him into a brutal crash. The car in front suddenly swerved left without any signal, and the biker behind lost control and crashed into it.
Yeah, I'm good. Yep.
Hey, you're not supposed to pass this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to call police.
No, we're good. We're good.
What are you?
No, but I have damage.
Here, give my number. Give my number. I'll pay everything.
No, that's not the point. Because right now, you hit my vehicle.
I know,
And
but please, I will pay everything.
No, that's not the point.
I'll give you the money
Are
right
you
now.
okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I need to hold on.
Thanks for watching. If you like this one, the video on the end screen is even better. Make sure to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe.